Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage a voice assistant on your headphones QCY T9. You have to start by open QCY application. Now go to settings and then you should choose left or right earbud. So for me it's left one, so I click on it for a touch, of course, and choose voice assistant. If you have iOS, you will manage Siri. If you have Android, you will manage Google Assistant. So let's check it. Hi Siri, how are you? Hi Siri, how are you? Siri just doesn't work, but I don't know why. But it's working. We turn on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.